Hello everyone, welcome to Tweak Library. In today's video, I'll tell you how you can post your pictures with 3D effects on Facebook. So let's get started. Open Facebook account on your Android phone. Tap on What's on your mind option. Scroll and select the 3D option from the list of options. Select your photo which you would like to post. Check the preview of your photo in 3D. Add the best caption and tap on the share button. Your picture will be posted. And that's it. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.